To open multiple apps at a time, all you have to do is open all of them first. Say I want to see YouTube, then I want to see WhatsApp, and then choose any. Say I'll choose Among Us. So now when all the three are open, you just have to go to the tab view, and then click on the icons of the apps in the tab view. So you will get such a menu. There you have to click on open in pop-up view. So it becomes such a small window. And then if you want multiple apps, then you have to do it multiple times too. So now one app, then you can again click on that small icon. So two apps, and then for the third one also you can do. And this is the third one. So this is how you can open multiple apps at a time. Thank you.